Angkor Wat stands as a majestic reminder of a once great empire that flourished in Southeast Asia, its massive structure embodying the artistry and engineering prowess of the Khmer civilization. As explorers ventured deep into the Cambodian jungle, they uncovered the remnants of Angkor Thom, revealing a city that once thrived with culture and innovation, drawing attention to its enigmatic stone faces. Today, Angkor Wat attracts millions of visitors each year, each drawn by the sheer beauty and historical significance of this architectural marvel as they walk in the footsteps of a civilization that shaped an era. The walls of Angkor Wat are adorned with exquisite bas-reliefs that tell timeless stories, inviting onlookers to reflect on the mythology that once permeated the lives of the Khmer people, while still serving as a place of tranquility and inspiration. Spanning over 162 hectares, the Angkor Archaeological Park stands as a testament to the grandeur and complexity of the Khmer Empire, where each temple tells a story of devotion, power, and artistry that has stood the test of time.